How to fix Windows stuck on repairing disk error. 1. Patiently wait until the process is done. 2. Remove any unused external devices connected to your PC. 3. Run chkdsk command in Windows Safe Mode. Command, chkdsk/fc. 4. Check then repair Windows disk errors. To do so, run these commands as admin: repair volume dribble letter here, scan repair volume dribble letter here, offline scan and fix repair volume dribble letter here, spot fix. 5. Run system restore, if you have. 6. Run startup repair in advanced Windows Safe Mode. 7. Reinstall your Windows. 8. Check your disk health and replace the system drive, if needed.